Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by preparing your Apple TV for Homekit hub duties. Update Apple TV to tvOS 16 or later before you start the home setup. Sign into the Apple TV with the same Apple ID that you use on your iPhone. Make sure the iPhone also runs iOS 16 or later and is nearby on the same Wi-Fi network. Ensure two-factor authentication is enabled for your Apple ID to allow secure home syncing. Keep the Siri remote and Apple TV visible and powered throughout the setup. Now enable iCloud and Home syncing on your devices to create a hub. On your iPhone, open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, and enable iCloud Keychain and Home. On Apple TV, go to Settings, Accounts, and sign into iCloud using the same Apple ID. In that same Accounts, menu enable Home to allow hub responsibilities. Confirm two-factor authentication is active on your Apple ID for secure synchronization. Wait a minute for iCloud to propagate home settings between devices before continuing. Finish by confirming Apple TV operates as your home hub and testing controls. Open the Home app on your iPhone and tap Home Settings, then Home Hubs and Bridges to check Apple TV status. If Apple TV appears as connected, it is acting as the hub to allow remote access. Add accessories in the Home app using Add Accessory or scanning manufacturer QR codes. Test turning a light on and off from the Home app and from Control Center remotely. Reboot Apple TV if the hub status does not show connected after setup.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.